I don't usually throw like wheat on the floor like that, but what happened is that they had some feed left from yesterday, and I didn't put any additional feed in the morning, and it's about close to 4 o'clock in the evening. They were completely out of feed and they were really hungry, so I just decided to no, I just fed them. I just add the feed in the feeders, and they're really hungry, so I thought I'm gonna add a little bit on the floor so that everybody can get to the feed faster. But it's not a good trait to throw feed on the ground. I'm feeding them just straight wheat. There might be some corn in there, but it's mainly just wheat. I do feed them like pellets, Callenbach pellets, once a month, and also I have a mix called JJ Custom Mix, and it's through Baden. That's the name of the feed brand, and it comes from Canada. They're a bit expensive, but it has all the different peas and safflower seeds. The birds love it, but it's like almost 35 bucks for a bag. I feed that once a month. But this is the hungry birds eating. Every morning I add feed like when I open the door, but today I saw that I think I might have fed them a little bit in the afternoon yesterday because they were out of feed, and I shouldn't have done that. I only feed them once a day, like in the morning I add the feed, and by the end of the day it should be gone. But yesterday I was looking at the birds, and the feed was all gone from the feeder, and I thought I may add some in the afternoon, and of course they didn't finish it, and I don't like feed being left over in the feeder at the night time, so I just fed them right now. Hopefully all the feed will be gone. So it's all like homers in here, and there is maybe, I would say, 5 or 6 Indian fantails in this loft. Homer babies over there too. There are some birds over there still out.